Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello, today we'll be reviewing Amazon Prime's web series Breathe Into the Shadows. The crime drama thriller, created and directed by Mayank Sharma, marks the digital debut of Abhishek Bachchan, who plays Dr. Avinash Sabharwal, a psychiatrist with a loving wife and child. As the trailer suggests, the show is about a father who goes all out for his family. Parenthood is central to the show, as Sabharwal and his wife Abha, played by Nitya Menon, lose their 6-year-old daughter Sia after she is kidnapped at a birthday party. What follows is an unusual case where the kidnapper not only takes months to get in touch with them, but has the most bizarre ransom demand: the murder of another man. Is Sabharwal a murderer or a father? Is the question which is then repeatedly asked. The show is the second season of the 2008 series Breathe. In season 1, we followed Danny Mascarenhas, played by R. Madhavan, a single father who goes to murderous lengths to ensure his ailing son can skip 4 places in an organ donor's waitlist. But alcoholic and volatile cop Kabir Sawant is soon on to them. Season 2 is far more complex. Into the Shadows represents a nameless, faceless person who engineers havoc in the lives of the Sabharwals and eventually many others. We know nothing about this individual except for the fact that he wears a strange mask and a checkered hoodie at all times. It's unclear whether this person wants to kidnap and murder a string of people who seemingly have no connection to one another based on a whim, personal vendetta, or some strange fetish. On a parallel track, Amit Saad is back as Kabir Sawant, the disgraced cop who is now transferred to Delhi. His knack of spotting unusual details lands him the job of the lead investigator of the murder case that Sabharwal is now involved with. A man of few words, Sawant is by far the most intriguing character of the show. You are instantly interested in his backstory and are curious to see what he says and does next. Amit Saad has a great presence on screen and brings an effortless intensity to the role of the troubled but astute cop who at the heart of it is a good guy. Very early on, Avinash Sabharwal is established as a psychiatrist who sometimes helps the police with criminal cases. But his deduction skills are barely impressive. In one court case, he proves to the court that because a suspect can solve a Sudoku puzzle, she in fact does not suffer from schizophrenia or mental disorientation. When his own life is shrouded in mystery, he does little to put his training to use. And in fact, in the 4th episode, he realizes that he's a psychiatrist and he should be able to thus decode the kidnapper's mind games. Bachchan's brooding, pensive performance and Nitya Menon's portrayal of a chef and worried mother are largely underwhelming and leave you unsympathetic to their plight. Most viewers who haven't seen season 1 will probably log on to watch Bachchan's performance, but he fails to show us a side of him that we haven't seen before. But the show does do an interesting job of portraying the communication breakdown between parents in crisis. Abha shuts off after Sia is gone, and Avinash doesn't do much to comfort her. But there is one touching scene in which one night in bed, Avinash tries to hold Abha. She repeatedly pushes him off, but then relents and breaks down, finally letting her sadness come through. The show has been touted as an edge-of-the-seat psychosocial thriller with constant twists and turns, and the writing does have many frills. But none of these twists and turns are particularly interesting, which is why the show's creators have had to resort to an excessive use of Hollywood-like sound effects to build anticipation and tension. The cool tone cinematography paints Delhi as a gloomy city, replete with aerial shots that take us everywhere from monument parks with the elite and rich exercise, to farmhouses, to more bustling areas like Ramlila Maidan. It also features the often forgotten landfills that dot the capital's margins but serve as a key location in this show. It's a slow series with 40-minute long episodes that can often feel like a drag. But if you do binge watch it, look out for strong supporting performances from Shraddha Kaul as Cop Zeba Varsi, Rishikesh Joshi as Sub-Inspector Prakash Kamble, and Plabita Bhotakur's portrayal of Meghna, a mysterious woman from Kabir Sawant's past. This is Fisa Jha for The Print. For more updates, log on to theprint.in and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.